Hi, today we're going to learn how to save your design project on Zeyka.ai. It's actually pretty simple. I just press the menu button right here. The drop-down menu shows me a couple of different things I can do. I can open a new project, open an existing project, open a sample project. I can import my SketchUp file into Zeyka, I can update my SketchUp file, and I can save my project. That's the Save button, right there. It's the fourth button from the top. I click on Save, and that's all. Zeyka tells me that my project has been saved successfully. I can also press the Close button on the top right side of my screen. As soon as I click it, it asks me whether or not I'd like to save my project, the way any application asks you to save your progress when you press the Close button. I click on Yes, and there it is. Zeyka successfully saves my project.